The anti-government protests started in various cities of Cuba as the country is undergoing its worst economic crisis in 30 years with the appalling shortage of electricity, medicine and food. In the capital city, Havana, hundreds of protesters marched through the streets chanting, "We want liberty." Now, the US President Joe Biden has extended his support to the protesters' demand for relief from the decades of repression and economic suffering to which they have been subjected by Cuba's authoritarian regime. Following this statement, the President of Cuba, Miguel Diaz-Canel, blamed the dissatisfaction on the United States pursuing a policy of economic suffocation to provoke social unrest in the country. In an address aired on radio and public television, he said that the protests are a part of a United States-backed, social media-driven plot to trigger public dissatisfaction and overthrow the Cuban regime.